Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So a lot of you liked my previous vlog, the Crocs unboxing video. I'm going to put a card here, so if you haven't watched it, you should watch this first before you watch this video. So a lot of you liked that video, and you asked for a tutorial on the stop motion I did with the Crocs. I'm going to put a video of the stop motion that I did in that video. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel and this sounds like something you want to learn, if you're interested in learning how to do stop motion videos, this video is for you. So hit the subscribe button and stay tuned. I'm sure you guys have subscribed and you have given this video a big thumbs up. Let's get right into the video. Without further delay, let's get right into the tutorial.
This is the object I'm going to be using for this stop motion tutorial. I'm going to be using this cute green handbag and some perfumes. You can choose to use whatever you'd like. It could be skincare products, it could be fruits, whatever you'd like. So the creative idea I have for this stop motion tutorial is for this bag to play around this space. It's going to move around this space on its own, and the perfumes are also going to come out of the bag on their own as well. Some people like to use picture style for their to create their stop motion videos, which means they take several pictures of the product while changing the position. That is, they move the product to the front, they take a picture, move it to the back, take a picture. So at the end of the day, they have several pictures of that particular product in different angles, in different position, and then they export it into an editing app and make it into a video. So you're basically going to have several pictures of a product made into a video, and that's it for the picture style of stop motion videos. I prefer to use video style for my in creating my stop motion videos, which means I just do a straight video while changing the position of the product or object. So at the end of the day, when I'm editing, I just cut out the part where my hand is in the frame. Okay, so you can see how I'm adjusting the position of the bag and then taking my hand out for a few seconds so I can have space when I'm cutting out the part where my hand is showing. At the end of the day, I'll just have a clean video where my hand doesn't show and it's just the product changing positions. So I'm going to be repeating the steps, which are changing the position of the object, taking my hand out for a few seconds, coming back in to change the position of the object, and taking my hand back out for a few seconds throughout the creative process of this stop motion tutorial from start to finish. Let's go. Here I'm showing you guys how I cut out the parts where my hands are showing in the frame, and I'm also reducing the size of each of my clips to the same duration. So you could choose to use 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 1 second. but in this video I'm using about 3 seconds. Okay, so it's very important that you make each of your video the same duration, okay, so that you're going to have a smooth transition for your stop motion videos. Otherwise, some parts of your videos will be short, others are going to be long, and it's not going to be it's not going to give a smooth transition. So this helps with organization.
Welcome back, guys. I hope with this tutorial you'll be able to create your own stop motion videos now, and I really hope it was um explanatory and practical enough for you to also make your own stop motion videos. Feel free to tag me in your creative videos. I'll be glad to know that you practice what you learned from this video. I'll be happy to also know that this video was explanatory enough. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and also give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video.